Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. We're discussing reschedulings and cancellations. These things can happen. You know, the travel situation coming into Thailand and across the world is really fluid. A recent comment on our channel that I thought was pertinent, quoting directly, "I've just paid for my ASQ hotel," that's Alternative State Quarantine Hotel. "If things change before I get to Thailand, will I get my money back or part of it at least? Also, I have had my first jab last week. Hope to get the second one before I get to Thailand in May 2nd. So regarding refunds, it remains to be seen. What he's talking about here is quarantine, and currently the quarantine requirement is going through a state of flux. Folks that are booked into 14 days of alternative state quarantine may not ultimately be required to do that by the time they actually come in. It may only be 7 days, for example, or 10 days. My gut tells me that probably what will happen is the hotel will probably say, well, we're not going to refund you because we booked all that, but you're not in quarantine. You can go about your business, and you're not going to be stuck inside this hotel. Again, remains to be seen. Maybe they will refund. I don't know. I can't say for certain. We haven't actually seen the new quarantine rules brought into effect. But this brought up some things, and like rescheduling, cancellations, refunds on hotels to reschedule. Yeah, those are all issues, and we've had to deal with them. Our Thai staff, the immigration division here, which has become quite a division because we've got so much going on, especially worldwide. Folks are, they're getting cancellations. Flights are getting canceled. They're having to deal with refunds. We're having to deal with rescheduling of flights, reissuance of certificates of entry, really a major issue with respect to that. All of these things, it can be a little bit smoother if you've got someone assisting you, but definitely it's a frustrating experience no matter what, and we're all just trying to do the best that we can. But so far, ultimately, we've managed to get in all of our clients that are trying to come in, albeit after some consternation and frustration in dealing with things. But ultimately, we have managed to get these things sorted out. But yeah, we've dealt with a lot of rescheduling, a lot of refunds, a lot of cancellations since this whole response to COVID-19 began right now, as of the time of this video, about exactly 1 year ago.